Scrolling through Facebook, you are extremely likely to see a question like this being considered impossible to solve. Now, this post itself got over 180,000 comments, and I assure you that most of the answers are incorrect. So, these problems can really be challenging for a lot of people. Let's see where this happens. Now, when you see 1 plus 3 times 2, the natural thing to do would be to solve this from left to right, just like how we read in English. But if you start by multiplying 3 times 2, you'd get a completely different answer. So the order that we use to solve problems really does matter. And to make sure that we always have the right order, we use BEDMAS. BEDMAS stands for brackets, exponents, division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction, and it literally tells us the order to execute in. Anything inside of brackets goes first, then any exponents. Once we finish those, we move on to division and multiplication, and lastly we do addition and subtraction. I put division and multiplication on the same level because there isn't a particular order for these. If you have a division right next to a multiplication, then you do solve left to right just as you usually would. And the same thing goes for addition and subtraction. Okay, let's do some practice. We have 10 times 3 plus 1. And first we scan for brackets. We see that 3 plus 1 is in brackets. So we will add these together first. That gives us 10 times 4. Now we check for exponents. No exponents. We check for division. No division either. So that brings us to multiplication. We do our 10 times 4, which gives us 40, and there you have it. Now let's do 1 plus 3 times 2. First, we check for brackets, no brackets. Then we check for exponents, no exponents either. And then we check for division, no division either. So we just do the multiplication. We multiply 3 by 2, that gives us 6. So we have 1 plus 6, and doing our addition gives us the final answer of 7. 7 is the correct answer for this question. Let's do just one more for now. We have 13 minus 24 divided by 8 times 4 plus 6. So just like before, we check for any brackets, no brackets. We check for any exponents, no exponents either. But when we check for division and multiplication, there is one of each. So since division and multiplication are on the same level, then we do those from left to right. Let's start with the minus 24 divided by 8. That gives us minus 3. So we write back our 13, then minus 3 times 4 plus 6. Now we move on to the minus 3 times 4. That gives us minus 12. So we write back our 13 again, then negative 12, and finally plus 6. Solving from left to right, we get 13 minus 12 is 1, and 1 plus 6 is 7. Thanks for watching. You can subscribe here if you want to get the latest from the Caribbean Scholar YouTube channel, or if you're ready, you can use the link in the description to hop onto our website and sign up for one of our premium courses.